Good morning, you guys. So this is basically like a vlog. So I just got out of the shower and I'm on my way to grab myself a coffee from Dunkin'. I just went ahead and dropped off my daughter to school, and today's Thursday, by the way. So I'm going to be inserting like all of the clips that I did for Christmas and stuff that I normally do, just to put it up as a blog, because normally I've noticed that every time I go to the store and do like a video shopping, I end up doing like a little bit of clips and I forget to end the clips or the videos. So en vez de tener así videos cortitos, I'm just gonna put it into like a little clips inserted to my daily routine, basically, if that makes sense. So that way you guys can have like a blog of the things of what I normally do in, you know, basic days and stuff like that. But anyways, yesterday we had some winners. We got 3 winners, 3 beauties. Won the giveaway, which I'm actually really excited for them. I hope they actually like it. And I don't know, if you guys do watch this video, please let me know in the comments if you received the package, and just let me know how well it's going for you. But other than that, I just made it here to Dunkin', so let me go ahead and get myself something really quick. Okay, so here is the drink que acabo de agarrar. It's a chai latte and some munchkins as well. I'm craving for those. And today's actually cold. Today's 47 right now. Aquí me marca que está 47. And then earlier in the morning when I dropped off my daughter, it was 44. Estaba 44. But anyways, you guys, so far this is how my day or my morning starts. I always end up having some coffee early in the morning, because that's just like my routine. Like, I like to get ready in the morning, take a shower, and if I don't do a showers in the morning, I do them at night, but I still end up having another shower in the morning. I don't know, but that's just me. I just like being fresh in the morning. And then later on, I'm just gonna get home, have breakfast really quick, and then start cleaning the house. And then later, I'm gonna have to come back out and drop the packages, porque I didn't get a chance to do them yesterday because it was already late. By the time that I was gonna do it, it was already closed. The post office was closed. They have the little package thing on the side, but it was kind of like bended, so I might as well just wait for today instead and just do it in person and walk inside and make sure that everything gets delivered on time. So that's basically what I'm doing today. But other than that, so far this is how my day is going. I hope a lot of you guys are doing well and are ready for the holidays, for Christmas, and you know, just spend some time with your family and with your loved ones. So I'm gonna see you guys later, and hopefully I don't end up the vlog once again así nada más. So I'll catch you guys later. Anyways, guys, I just made it back home, and here is my Dunkin' Donuts with the coffee. Let me get Coco out. Let me get him out. Salte, pipi. Pipi, para que hagas pipi outside. Córrele. Anyways, ahí va Coco. Ahorita I have to do this carpet right here porque está sucia. So I just put it here in the garage. That's why the floor is like this, because I'm in the garage. So right now, ahorita voy a tener que lavar esto because adentro no se puede limpiar y está bien sucio because Coco lo embarra bien feo. So de tantas pisadas ya le hace falta una limpieza, así que eso es lo que voy a hacer ahorita. Allá tengo la machine para limpiar la carpet, and I'm gonna work on that right now. Guys, I'm finally done with my duties, and I'm going to deliver some of these packages now so they can get them on time. So ladies, if you're watching this, your packages will be arriving soon. I'll be sending the tracking number for you guys to check it out, and that way you guys know where it's coming. Anyways, guys, this is another thing, part of my life. other than just being at home. We also do shopping, but today we are at Harbor's Right. I think that's what it's called. And my husband is looking for some tools because he needs some tools. But this is another thing that I normally do when I'm not even at home. Look at all the parts. I don't think they have Christmas stuff here. No. Anyways, mientras for us it's like shopping at stores, other stores, you know, when it comes to decorations, Christmas stuff for men. This is what they like to watch. This is what they like to shop, and they can be here for hours, you guys. Está llenito. Sí. Están las escaleras. Look. They even have their own little Christmas tree with the hats. And these are the accessories. Lucecitas. Their keychains. Two huge dogs. They're so cute. So festive. Oh, where are they?
Great Pyrenees.
Great Pyrenees. Oh.
No.
Is it okay to touch them?
Do what?
Is it okay to touch it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sure.
Look at this dog. So
Oh,
pretty.
you like the tree, huh?
Hey.
This was Tommy really likes, Daddy.
They're so soft.
Dad, this is the kind of like.
Hers is softer. Hers is quite softer than hers.
Oh, really?
He's got more manning and more male.
Oh.
What's that?
His hair is a little more coarse.
Oh, yeah, you can tell.
Oh yeah.
It's so cute.
Her name
And
is
the
Lady.
lady.
And this one's Copper.
Oh, nice meeting you guys. It's a cute couple. Anyways, guys, voy a recoger una pizza porque como, like I was saying, salieron temprano. Hello. Como salieron temprano for school, so vine aquí en Pizza Hut to get them something so they can eat. La pizza que agarramos es esta.
Como el que tenía Jaime, que acabamos consiguiendo por alrededor de unos...
So, now that I'm done sending out the packages, I'm making myself some coffee right now because it's cold outside. Aquí tengo un café. Voy a hacer otra tacita más que se me tiró. Y lo vamos a acompañar con estos panecitos de aquí. Qué rico está. Guys, today's the next day. Look who we have here in the Polar Express chairs. Es de mentiritas. We're actually putting them on the side because we're going to be adding the carpet that I had in the living room over here and see how well it fits. And if it does fit, then we're just going to leave it there. But anyway, here it is. Coco, Pipi. A ver, quítate de la tapete. Mira nomás. No, sí cabe, ¿no? Está contento.
Solamente que lo hagamos así, ¿no? Y luego así más para acá, pues, a ver.
Coquito, ¿qué estás haciendo, niñito? ¿Te gusta la carpeta? Uy. Vente, vente. Vente, corre. Ay, 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 qué bravo, chiquillo. Ay, ¡au!
¿Vamos a mover por la mesa?
Sí.
No, de nuevo.
Out of the mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning this.
Oh my god.
Okay, quick update. This is during the day because normally when I was showing and filming to complete this tree, it was at night. And you couldn't really tell on the tree because you can't really see the tree exactly how it looks. But during the day, this is how the tree came out. It actually looks nice, to be honest. Well, in my In my perspective, I feel like the tree doesn't need anything else, not unless I change my mind. Pero así es como quedó el tree. And then over here is where I have the Mickey Mouse with the pillows. And these pillows, in case if you guys are wondering where I got them from, they're from Temu. There were 4 sets, I think. No, eran 2 sets. I don't remember, to be honest, but I will be leaving it in the description if you guys would like to check them out. And then these little gift boxes right here, this little stack, I got those at Big Lots. I like how they have these little gems, como perlitas, and the ring bell. But this is cute. I've been having that for a while now. And my Mickey Mouse, the plushes, they are from Target, and this one is from Big Lots. And then the rest of my decorations, they are from Big Lots as well. This is the garland that I bought at Target last year. And I just went ahead and added these extra ornaments and then just put them together. So they're like that. Este pues se mira, se aflojó. I don't know what I did with that one. I just put it like that, but it doesn't matter. And then I went ahead and added 4 of this on each corner of the house. So that way it can look a little nice. I don't know. Just kind of gives like a good view out to the outdoor. And then we just put the extra garland on top and the blue garland wreath on with the ornaments up there in the center. And then the other one is right over there by the entrance. So far, this is what I have. I have to put the earrings in there. I have the lashes already, and I have this ready. I still have another one to make. Here's the scrunchie, the velvet scrunchie, and the Grinch. And then here's the rest. This is the lid of the earrings. It's actually really pretty. I like that one. And here's the rest of the makeup products. Also this, and also the socks. These are all in the bundle. Anyways, guys, there's really a lot to do for this. I don't know how many of you guys are excited about Christmas. I don't know if I'm going to be doing the Christmas vlogs. Let me know if you guys would like to see Christmas vlogs. I don't know if a lot of you guys do, but we'll see. It's up to you guys. Ustedes díganme si quieren ver vlogs like the Christmas vlogs and all that. Look at how pretty. Because it's getting dark already. This does take a while. Me he tardado like 3 days packing or 4. Just making the boxes. And this is how it turned out. It's pretty, right? And I already have this one sealed. And by the way, these are handmade. And this comes with small little sponges and the big sponges. And I added this. I just think it looks nice because this is an ornament, so you can hang this in your tree. Or if you're gonna give it as a gift, you can definitely use this and hang it in the tree. And just add their name or something here in the back with a Sharpie. And that's how it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the socks here in the bag. back. He's hurting already. He's cansado. All of this, everyone, no matter how big or small your business is actually really tiring. Sí se cansa uno. Sometimes you even skip a meal just to, you know, finish this. And I appreciate everyone who values and supports small businesses, because whenever you start in a business, it's actually hard because I don't have a lot of hands to work on this. My kids are in school. My husband also works. He comes home tired, and I'm still over here working on this when he gets here. And it's just too much, you guys. It's definitely a lot. That's that, and we're just gonna add those in the box. Y eso lo voy a estar acomodando aquí. That's gonna go for my first one. I'm gonna add the compound here in the corner, nice and neat. And then I'm gonna add the socks here on the side. And then we're gonna add the ornament, and look how pretty this box turns out. See, I'm just gonna cover this. Add the lashes. So we keep it nice and neat. And then we're gonna add some confetti. And here's Mr. Grinch. And that's how the box turned out. Pretty, right?